Hi guys. So I'm gonna do a room tour. Here we go. I'm not giving up or anything. So that's my door, my unfinished door, by the way. And hold on. That's the outside of the door. Then here's my desk where I'm making a quick capture. This has a whole bunch of junk in it. This is my book. A whole bunch of stuff right there. Pencil. Elephant. Lip gloss. Agenda. Empty Tic Tac. I got it. Yeah. Bowling ball for when I bowl. It's glowing in your eyes. Okay, bowling ball. When I used to bowl, kitty litter for my cat box. Paint. My South Park shoes. And books. My chair. So pretty. My dresser. My anime drawing right there. My mirror. My trash can. My what's all this called? My training case or whatever. My backpack right there. Training case, trash can. And those are just baskets with junk in them. Basically. Piece of paper on the floor should go in the trash. That's vanity. Pretty. What's it called? Lamp thing. My little desk, where I put my alarm clock and stuff. Big mirror. That's a box of junk, the black thing by it. Then my bed. Then my chair where I read books. Then my closet. And then we're back. So